Okay, I just want to quickly show you how you can import um, graphics into symbols, and you can actually swap some of these original symbols in situ with the new graphics that you've imported. So I'm going to create a new folder for some of these original symbols, and I'll just call that old symbols, and I'll drag my old symbols into there. And I'm going to bring in a couple more. I'll just bring in some images, some PNGs. So file import. I'm not going to import them to the stage, I'll import them to the library because I just want them to appear in the library. And I'm going to get the bird and maybe I'll just get the sun, the tree and the wheel. Bird, sun, tree, wheel, that'll do. And it's brought these in. I've got a nicer bird, a nicer sun, nicer tree and a nicer wheel. And because I'm going to be swapping these symbols with some new symbols, I need to put these images, as they are at the moment, into symbols. So I'm just going to go insert new symbol, and I'll call this one new bird. There, and I'll put the bird into it. And then insert new symbol, I'll call this one new sun. And put the sun into it. New symbol, new tree. And put the tree into it. And finally insert new symbol, new wheel. And put the wheel into it. And I'll create a folder for those images and just call it images. Flash keeps track of any changes you make to the structure and pops the new stuff where it should be and changes all its references. Okay, so new bird, new sun, new tree, new wheel. So what I'm going to do now is to go into the to the camera symbol that has all of these different images in it, different things, and I'm going to swap some of the images. So I'll start with the sun. So if I go to the properties palette, now I can click on any of these symbols and I can see the name. So here we've got a graphic which is an instance of the tree. Here we've got a graphic which is an instance of the car. Here we've got a graphic which is an instance of the house. And here is an instance of the sun. And I can swap that instance to some other symbol. So if I click swap, I'm going to change that to new sun. I'll have to resize it. And there we have the new sun. Click on one of the birds, instance of bird, and I'll swap that to new bird. Same with the others, new bird. And they've inherited the rotation of the originals. New bird. Right. Do the same to the tree. New tree. Each instance gets swapped. New tree. New tree. So you can see what we're doing. We're straight away changing the quality of our graphics into photographic quality for some of them. Now, what's beautiful about this is that even if you've got lots of tweens and lots of things moving around, once you've swapped it into the new symbol, it's that'll move around. So you can very quickly create a draft animation and then import all the sort of things that you need. I'm just going to open up the car, in the library. And I'm just going to swap the wheels. So that one I'll go to properties, go to swap from instance of wheel to new wheel. Same with this one to new wheel. And obviously resize them again. And I could do the same. I could re-import the car body and change it. But you can see we can start to change the quality of our animation. So that's importing images into the library. putting them in symbols, and then swapping symbols. Remember, that's in the properties palette. When you click on a symbol, you get a swap button appear.